everyone! Welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, we're doing super exciting vlog. And that is cup noodles vlog. Yup, you've heard it right. I've got here batches of Prosperity cup noodles. I've got a special batch of Prosperity noodles here, and we're about to find out if they're as lucky as they claim to be. So, ito yung mga iti-taste natin for today, guys. So, meron tayong 4 na cup noodles. So, we have seafood. Meron din tayong chicken mami. At hindi rin magpapatalo si spicy bulalo. And of course, we also have chicken sotanghon. So, let's open. So, ginawa lang natin simple yung process. So, gagawan lang natin lagyan lang natin ng hot water. So, isa-isa natin lagyan ng hot water. And may seasonings na yan siya, guys. Sa amoy pa lang, guys, panalo na. Nagugutom na ako. Alright. Alright, so moment of truth na tayo, guys. And let's pick up first spicy bulalo. Amoy pa lang, guys. Bulalong-bulalo na siya. So, let's try. Mix muna natin. Natatakam ako. Alright. So, basically, meron siyang corn bits. And meron siyang mga green vegetables. I think may onion din siya. And naamoy ko yung garlic. So, let's try kung ano yung lasa. Oh my goodness, ang sarap, guys. Kuhang-kuha yung Filipino traditional na bulalo. Lasang baka talaga. So, parang perfect siya for breakfast and lunch na rin. Try ko ulit. Nasarapan ako, guys. Oh. Alright, so next natin, guys, seafood. So excited ako kung kasing sarap ba siya ni spicy bulalo or mas masarap si seafood. Try natin. Alright, ayun. So, kitang-kita ko, guys. Parang may egg flakes siya. Egg flakes. May green leafy vegetables din. And I think may garlic din siya. And amoy na seafood talaga. It's really like an oceanic food. So, tikman natin. Longevity talaga, guys, ang dating dahil sa mahabang pansit niya. Mahaba ang pasta niya. So, pang long life talaga. parang mix siya ng squid and octopus and other seafood. Masarap. So, it's like oceanic seafood na sa mouth mo. And, hindi siya kasing tapang ng bulalo. In short, mas masarap pa rin ang bulalo, guys. Pero not bad. Masarap din siya. So, it's perfect for quick meal. So, kung prefer ninyo yung quick meal, so go for seafood. Well, chicken mommy naman tayo, guys. Okay, so chicken mommy, that's a chicken flavor, of course, with egg flakes and garlic bits. So, try natin. Wow! Ang ganda ng pasta niya, guys. Ang ganda ng noodles niya. Malalaki siya. You see? Feeling mo talaga na magbibigay siya ng good luck sa buhay mo. And of course, longevity. Ayan. So, the same thing, meron siyang, nalalasahan ko talagang garlic, guys. So, ayan. And of course, meron din siyang green leafy vegetables and kulay pa lang chicken na, guys. So, moment of truth, tikman na natin, guys. So, lasang chicken na siya, guys. Plus, nag-complement yung lasa ng chicken sa different spices such as garlic and onion. Masarap din, guys. Alright. Try natin. Mommy. Nahirapan akong mag-decide, guys, kung sino ang pinakamasarap sa kanila. But anyway, try natin yung panghuli natin. Oh, guys, amoy pa lang, mukhang masarap na. Of course, ine-next na natin ang sotanghon. Alright. So, ano yung in-expect nyong lasa? For me, in-expect ko siya yung pinakamasarap. Pero, syempre, itatry natin. To see is to believe. To taste is to believe. So, ayan. Of course, meron din siyang chicken. Yes. Chicken bits. My green leafy vegetables and other seasonings. Ayan. Mukhang masarap. Sige, i-try natin. Hindi ko siya makuha. Ayan, guys. Oh. Ayan. Masarap. Guys, masarap. Very light lang siya, pero kuhang-kuha talaga yung lasa ng chicken. And yung other seasonings niya ay mas nag-complement pa sa lasa ng chicken. So, tamang-tama lang din yung saltiness niya. So, perfect. I love it. It's simple, light, but delicious. Magiging favorite ko na to siya, guys. Alright guys, pagkatapos kong tikman yung 4 batches ng ating Prosperity Cup Noodles, feeling ko guys, good luck is coming my way. Or baka nasa head ko lang, or baka magic ng noodles para sa akin. Pero anyway, nahirapan ako mag-decide guys kung sino yung panalo sa puso ko. So, if you want something mommy and light, go for chicken. But then, if you want something oceanic, go for seafood. Para sa akin, guys, panalo tong dalawa. Chicken sotanghon and spicy bulalo. So, si chicken sotanghon, light lang siya, but super delicious. It's slightly sweet, and nag-complement talaga yung mga condiments niya sa chicken. And of course, spicy bulalo. Naninipa guys. And it's something heavy. So, pwede talaga siya pang lunch and pang breakfast. So, anyway, you can also decide for your own choice. And you can leave your comments down below if ano yung mas paborito nyo. Si Team Sotanghon ka ba? Team Chicken? Team Seafood? Or Team Spicy Bulalo? Alright guys, if you enjoyed this taste test video, please hit the like button, subscribe so that you'll never miss the fun adventure in my next vlog. So, stay prosperous in 2025. Bye!
Again, this is Sasuka, not an expert, but just want to share.